Welcome to the next tutorial on ratios. For this tutorial we're learning about equal ratios and proportions. Now a ratio is equal if they can be expressed in the same simplest form. So an example, 4 to the ratio 6 or 4 to 6, is it equal to 20 to 30? So in order to work this out, we need to reduce them to the simplest form, which is what we were learning about in our last tutorial. So if I just change the colour of my pen, we can divide 4 by 2 to bring it down to 2, and let's put divided by 2 in there, and 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. And 20, we can divide that by 10, which gives us 2, and 30, we know divided by 10 is 3. So we can in fact say that the ratio 4 to 6 equals the ratio 20 to 30, or it is a proportion. A proportion is a statement that two ratios are equal. Working out equal ratios is very similar to working out equal fractions. So we look at the first part of the ratio. We're comparing here 2 and 6. How did we get from 2 to 6? We multiplied by 3. So then we need to do the same for the second part of the ratio. 5 times 3 equals 15. So the ratio 2 to 5 is the same as 6 to 15. Here are a couple of practice examples, so pause the tutorial and have a go at working out these proportions. Okay, hopefully you've paused the video and had a chance to work these out. Let's see how we got on. The ratio 3 to 6 equals 12 to what? 3. In order to get to 12, we timesed it by 4. So we do the same. 6 times 4, and the answer there is 24. The bottom one, the ratio 2 to 5, we start with the 5 because that's the one that we know got to 15. How do we get there? Well, we timesed it by 3, so therefore 2 times 3 equals 6. The ratio 2 to 5 equals 6 to 15. Okay, this example here is a little bit trickier. 18 to 30 equals 24 to what? We can't go from 18 to 24 in one move with multiplication or division. So we need to think about using a couple of moves. I'm going to divide 18 divided by 3 because that equals 6, and then I'm going to times it by 4, and that equals 24. 6 times 4 is 24. So then if we do the same thing to 30, we divide it by 3 to start with, which equals 10, and then we times it by 4. 10 times 4 is 40. 18 to the ratio 30 equals 24 to 40. Okay, here's another example for you to have a go at. So pause the tutorial now and try and work out the ratio of something to 12 equals 33 to 44. Hopefully you've had a chance to pause the tutorial and try and work this out. A couple of ways to work this out. Some of you might have straight away seen the fraction 33 to 44 as the same as 3/4. So you might have known pretty quickly that you could work it out that way. 12 divided by 3 equals 4, so something divided by 3 equals 3. We know that 9/12 equals 3/4, so we could put the 9 into the ratio there, 9 to 12 equals 33 to 44. Or you might have used the strategy we were using before. We worked how do you get from 12 to 44, and we might you might have divided it by 3 to equal 4, and then timesed it by 11. So doing the reverse of that, 33 divided by 11 equals 3, and then timesing it by 3, sorry. Y3, well, you can see here, and we divided it by 3. We divided 12 by 3, so we needed to multiply in the reverse, and our answer is going to be 9. Good luck with your practice examples now. Hope this has helped.